Hey, 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 it is time for a side hustle stuffing. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a bit, so I'm super excited to do it. And yeah, I'm going to show you the money. We're going to do a couple different things, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. All right, so let me just show you the money first. So today is Monday, April 22nd. This is the payout I'm getting today that will be deposited tomorrow. So it's for last week's sales, if that makes sense. And the total was $574. So obviously a humongous thank you to all of you. Of course, this would not be possible without any of you. And yeah, I am just so grateful, and definitely, gonna put this money to good use. So we're gonna put $143 in taxes, $100 to Verizon card for a little bit of spending, $247 to Amazon for a lot of supplies. We're gonna put, can't even read my writing, $60 towards the 1K challenge. And we're actually going to do a little bit of mini madness because I haven't done it in a while and I want to keep it going. I don't know if there's anything that I will be able to finish in my mini challenges or not, but I just want to keep it going. I have some money in there, I don't want to forget about it. So yeah, that's the plan for today. So let's actually put this to the side. Let's start off with taxes because that is the most boring, but it does need to be done. So let's get out the binder and all the things, and we are putting 143 in there. So 100, 20, 40, 1, 2, 3. If you're new here, this is all prop money or fake money. That's why you see stickers on it. Because I just deposit this money right into my savings account. There's absolutely no reason to keep it in cash when I don't need to use it very often. So that's the reason this is all fake money. Let's see, 143. Let's go ahead and add that on my tracker here. All right, so let's see what we have now. So we have 1,100, so 1,100, 50, 70, 90, 1,200, 5, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1,216. Let's see if there's anything we can color on here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I can go ahead and color 2 of these because each one is $100 and each of these are 800. So above the 800, I have 400, if that makes sense. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. I'm probably not making any sense to you whatsoever, but it makes sense in my brain. So I'm going to go ahead and color 2 of these and I'll be right back. All right, so that is all colored. That means that we are halfway to being saved up for our taxes that are due in September. So yes! By the way, if you happen to be someone that needs to pay quarterly taxes, this freebie is available in my freebies link down below in the description box. The amount is blank here. You could set your own amount for each of these little poops because taxes are poop. So if you, are interested in grabbing that, feel free. Even if you're not somebody that has to pay quarterly taxes, still feel free to grab it. It does say quarterly taxes on it, but if you want to use it for something else, by all means, go ahead. All right, next we are going to, let's see, what are we going to do? We're going to do the 1K challenge. So, this is my, I have like no space here. This is my book. It is available on Amazon, 25 Low Income Savings Challenges. It's just one of a bunch of books I have available on Amazon, and I am doing this $1,000 emergency fund challenge in here towards debt. I am not using it towards an emergency fund. I'm using it towards debt because it's my challenge and I could do what I want. So I like this challenge because it's doable amounts in terms of coloring. The raindrops are $10, the clouds are $20. When it's all done, it'll be $1,000, and that's a $1,000 payment I'm going to make towards my loan. So we are putting 60 in here today. So let's see. there's the 60. So I think I'm going to do, I guess just 3 clouds, right? 20, 40, 60. This is not going to color nicely at all because this tip is so not pointy, but that's okay. It doesn't have to look pretty. So yeah, I'm going to try to do as many 20s as I can before the 10s because y'all know I like to get the big amounts out of the way. So we are, you know, on our way here with the $1,000 challenge, and yeah, I'm going to finish that as soon as I possibly can so that I can get another payment made to my husband. Okay, let's see where that envelope is. Okay, so I'm using this 2024 envelope for that. And so we now have 50, 65, 70. So $70, which is nice. $70 on our way to 1,000. All right, last but not least, we are going to do some mini madness. So let me go ahead and get everything set up for that, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and let's get going here. So we have $24 here. I'm not going to count it, but we do have a mix of $2 and $1. This is just because I didn't want to use all my ones. It is prop money because this will just go into the savings account. So, you know, again, no need to use real cash here. But if you're kind of, you know, unfamiliar with this, what we're going to do is I'm going to roll a 6-sided die. This is challenge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and whatever number it lands on is going to get the money. I'll start with the 2s, work down to the 1s, and let me really quickly tell you about the challenges. So this one here was a freebie from Spooky Budgets on her website. This one here was also a freebie. This is from Danny over at Craft Co. Budgets. This one is from Lisa Grateful Me, is her YouTube channel. Her Etsy is The Happy Mailbox Co. That was a freebie with one of my orders. This one here is from Ellie on Earth over in her Etsy shop. This one is another one from The Happy Mailbox Co. And then this one here is from my friend Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets. All right, so let's get going. I have a couple things to tell you. If the sound of the dice in the dice tower annoys you, I'm very sorry, but it's very fun to use the dice tower. And also I feel like it gives it a little bit more of like a random roll. So yeah, if you're interested in this dice tower, by the way, I do have it linked below in my description box. But you guys, I'm very, very close to an Etsy launch. And as I say, oh, I think it helps with the randomness. I get 3 6s in a row. I am hoping to have my next video be an Etsy launch video. I have some awesome products. And I'm just putting the finishing touches on them, making sure everything is created so that I can show you them. So look out for that. In addition to that, I did want to say that I lowered the pricing on almost all of my digital items. I don't have a ton of digitals in my shop, but there were a lot of them that were older and that I felt were priced a little bit too high. So I did lower those. So, you know, just in case you're interested in those, you can go ahead and check that out. And yeah, I also went ahead and added the IOU slips, the digital version, because I realized I had said that back in a prior launch and then I never did it. So those are available as digital downloads now as well, instead of just, you know, a physical product that's shipped to you. I also have a new savings challenge book out, you guys. Spoiler alert, you can go check it out right now. It's linked below already, I think. But even if not, you can always search The Thrifty Sewist on Amazon and my book should come up. But I am waiting for my copy in the mail. As soon as I have that, I'm going to shoot a video on it. And yes, I'm so excited. I think you guys are going to really, really like it. And so, yes, I'm very excited about that. And we only have $1 left. You guys, I am so close to 2K, 2,000 subscribers. What? I am like, okay, I just like can't even believe that I even have 1 subscriber, to be honest. So it absolutely just like blows my mind that I'm almost at 2,000 and I'm so thankful. Once I hit 2,000, I think what's going to happen is I'm going to do a live with my husband. So if you've not been on my lives before, I like to do usually late night lives because it's easier for me. The kids are in bed. You know, I don't have to worry about that. But I have some, you know, people that continuously join my lives, and they have been saying that they would love to get my husband on a video or a live or whatever to be able to ask him questions and things like that. So I think that's going to be the plan, you guys. We're going to do a live Q&A. You guys can ask him or me or both of us whatever you want, and I think it's just going to be so much fun. So that is the plan. Again, I have to reach 2K first, but that is going to be really fun. Okay, so this first challenge is going to get $6, and each of these are worth $3. So I'm going to go ahead and just color in 2 of these. And I will probably try to edit out most of the coloring, but just in case I'm not able to, yes, these markers are super duper squeaky, so I'm very sorry. All right, so in here we now have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 23. Looks like we're around $13 left to go on this one, so yay! Next over here from Spooky Budgets, it's getting $4. Each of these is $3, so that presents a dilemma now, doesn't it? I'm going to color in, I guess, just one of these, and then I will have an extra $1, but I guess I'll just put that towards next time. Wow, was that terrible coloring. So yeah, let me finish this and I'll be right back. Okay, worst coloring ever, but that's okay. Put this in, and we now have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Next, we have this one from Danny over at Craft Co Budgets. It's only getting $1, you guys, and it only got $1 last time, so wow, that's sad. Each of these are obviously $3, so I'm just going to go ahead and color in another little sliver of this and call it good. Wow, this one's never going to get finished. Okay, next we have this Dogs and Sweaters one from Ren. This is a bigger one, 75. And it is getting 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. $8. So I'm going to just do a 5 and a 3. All right, let's see how much we have here in this one. So we now have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. It's a nice amount. Not quite halfway there yet. All right, next, the kitty cat here is getting $2, and each cat paw is $2. So we are only going to be able to color in one today, but that's okay. So now in here we have 2, 4, 6, and $8. And last but not least, we have Let's Eat Some Debt by Ellie on Earth, and it looks like it's getting $3, which is... Okay, so I have each of these designated as 5, so I cannot even color in a full one. Let's just go ahead and finish this guy off, and then we'll call it good. All right, we have a little two-toned monster there. So let's see what we have here in this one. 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Perfect. That worked out nicely. Okay, that is it, my friends. A little bit of a different type of side hustle stuffing, but a fun one all the same. I do hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being here, for watching, for supporting me in any way that you have. The Etsy shop, the YouTube channel, you know, just all of your support just truly, truly means so much. I am working on some new freebies. Like I said, I have the Etsy launch. I have just so many things in the works that I'm so excited about. So I hope that you'll stick around. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.